Quickly, I want to show you this mining app that you are very early on and you can hop on it right now. It's called Quivi by SafariQ. Quivi by SafariQ. So the first thing you want to do is to check the description box of this video on my first pinned comment and click on the link to join. For you to stay updated on alphas and mining updates and all that, so you need to join the Telegram channel. The link to the Telegram channel is also going to be in the description box of this video. So once you've done that, you come down here, you click on start mining. I have already registered. I wanted to walk my subscribers through the interface. So once you click on mine, the Telegram mining app is going to show something like this, and it's going to request you to join their Telegram community. I've already done that. You must join the Telegram community. Then you are going to be asked to do a simple arithmetic. They can give you like 2 plus 2 or 3 times 3, and then once you answer, you input the correct answer, is to verify that you've joined the Telegram community and to bring you to this dashboard. So this is the home dashboard. You can see it here. This is the home dashboard. The first thing you're going to see also is your profile. This is my profile, this is my SED, and this is the equivalent in dollars. Then you're going to come here and click on let's go. Once you click on let's go, you are going to select what you need if you want to travel, right? So you first need a passport, you need a ticket, of course you need clothes and wallet, you need a charger, and you need a camera. So once you select all, you're going to click on choose transport, and then it will ask you what's your mode of transportation, either plane, bus, car, train, bike, ferry. I'm going with plane. Then I'll click on start journey to save and take it. The journey started at 80 kilometers per hour. So that is the first thing you need to do. So you can look at their white paper. The white paper is here. You can look at their ecosystem, the Safari ecosystem, read up about them. But there's something else I want to show you. If you click on this SED token or SED token, you're going to see that this is a very, very good project. And if you want to speed up your mining, you need to like refer friends. So remember that if you click on the description box of this video or my first pinned comment, you are going to be seeing the link to join our Telegram channel or community where I share free updates. I also share crypto trading signals. I mean solid crypto trading signals that have up to 70 to 80% win rates. Then I also share airdrop mining updates, latest airdrop alphas. I share everything about Web3 job offers and a lot. So you need to stay tuned to Telegram channel. So you see it said SED, that is SafariQ engagement Dirham utility token. SED is a core digital utility token that is the medium of exchange of SafariQ ecosystem. It's designed specifically for travelers, community participants, and platform contributors. That is not exactly all I want to show you. So yeah, this is token utility. SED is designed as a multi-purpose utility token, creating tangible value for all users within the SafariQ ecosystem. So reward for travel activities, you earn SED for activities like referrals and engagement. This is what you earn. You earn when you refer, you earn. Once you engage, you earn. So you can still go ahead to read that. It has even an NFT integration and all that says invite, and then you see your referral link here. You come and copy it and you invite your friends. So once you keep inviting friends, you're going to keep increasing on the level. The more you refer, the more you're going to increase on the referral levels. So they have level 1, they have level 2, they have level 3. Then you are going to come here and click on mint. If you want to mint some SED tokens, you come here, you click on mint. I'll walk you through that as the time progresses. So I come here, I click on auto. So right now I'm on auto mint. You say your tier is set automatically. 40 welcome for first 10 journeys, then 20 kilometers per hour higher ties unlock with referrals and breed pass. So like I said, if you want to have an higher rate of mining, you need to refer a lot of friends. So then the next thing is to come to your tax. You're going to complete all these tasks. I said complete each day tax, come back next day to continue the streak. Miss a day, you restart from day one, just like a normal mining airdrop mining app. So you come here, you click on complete, because I've done this particular one. I said book a hotel for your friend at booking.com. So day two, you come here, you sign in. So every day remember to come here to sign in so that you keep building up your daily streak. Then the last thing is to scroll up, you do other tasks like join the Telegram community, follow them on X, join the squad, follow on Facebook, subscribe to our YouTube channel, and follow them on Instagram. So you do all this, then you come to the leaderboard. There are a lot of people already on this particular mining app, and it is really worth it. It's really worth it. So look at people already there. So you need to stay positioned. And there's something else I want to show you. For every 200 SED tokens that you have, is equivalent to $54. Like for every 200 SED tokens that you have is equivalent to $54. Like I said, it is still very early. All you need to do is to immediately click on the description box of this video, join our Telegram channel, and also join the mining app by the link in the description box of this video, my first pinned comment, and start mining. So that's all for now. See you in another update, and bye for now.